If I had to choose a fun camera, it would definitely be a panoramic camera. We're spending the summer in Qingdao. One of life's great pleasures is riding an electric bike by the sea. It feels amazing. A year ago, DJI shook up the market with the powerful Osmo 360, proving that its square sensor was the advantage of panoramic cameras. Now the brand new Osmo 360 second generation has arrived. Although it looks almost identical to the previous generation, DJI has once again enhanced its performance. Compared to the first generation, what exactly has been upgraded? How can ordinary people shoot interesting content with it? And whether you need a panoramic camera, this video will tell you all that. The biggest upgrade is in image quality and performance. I originally thought the first generation's 8K at 50 FPS was the limit. But surprisingly, the Osmo 360 second generation manages to shoot 8K at 60 FPS and also supports 10-bit D-Log-M. Many people might think it's just 10 more frames. But for shooting fast-moving scenes like cycling, skiing, and hiking, a higher frame rate means smoother footage. Especially now, since many phone screens are better suited for 60 FPS playback, the viewing experience is smoother and clearer. Don't underestimate these 10 frames. They require a stronger chip performance while controlling heat and power consumption. What's even more amazing is that its dynamic range reaches 14.5 stops, meaning its visual capturing ability is closer to the human eye. The benefit of high dynamic range is that it preserves more details in the highlights and shadows. This is what I think is the value of panoramic cameras. They don't just record one image but capture all the details of the moment. Welcome back from the old. Cheers, evening gatherings, night scenes, parades, and city strolls are also very common usage scenarios. The Osmo 360 second generation's night mode is also upgraded. 8K at 60 FPS means no longer having the awkward situation where you could shoot 60 FPS during the day but only 30 FPS at night. You can now always use full quality footage with less noise and a cleaner image. My personal favorite upgrade is the addition of 4K at 240 FPS 10-bit T-Log-M panoramic slow motion. Post-production AI interpolation can achieve effects close to 4K at 1920 FPS, turning ordinary moments into cinematic slow motion. Although the image quality can't compare to normal mode, the playability is very high. Also, the new 8K at 120 FPS time freeze. The upgraded 16K panoramic time-lapse with a 120 million pixel HDR photo function makes it not just a recording tool, but more like a creative device. The biggest headache when traveling is that the scenery is beautiful but no one is there to shoot well for you. The Osmo 360 second generation has a subject tracking function that can automatically lock on to a person and follow them smoothly. If you're not satisfied with the in-camera following effect, you can further adjust it later in MIMO. What used to require a cameraman can now be done solo to create atmosphere. Friends who like shooting videos with iPhones probably know about the front and rear camera replay feature. The Osmo 360 second generation can achieve the same effect in DJI MIMO. After a year of updates, DJI MIMO's panoramic post-production functions have become richer with various AI tracking effects and transitions. Editing beginners can choose one-click editing to automatically create videos, or directly apply templates for AI-assisted editing. NFC instantly connects, twist to start shooting, handheld to shoot tiny planets, raise your hand to shoot big headshots. Shoot while carrying it. Put down to shoot Bigfoot. Circle around to shoot Little Earth. A small camera can achieve many effects that used to require complex equipment. Of course, storage is ample. DJI provides 105 GB of built-in storage. The lens is more durable than before and won't worry about automatic focus failure. This generation also features interchangeable lenses. If you're not handy, you can go to DJI stores and have the lenses replaced free of charge by professionals. You can rest assured with this big brand service. As I said at the beginning, panoramic cameras are definitely what I consider a fun camera. It allows ordinary people during travel, sports, and daily recording to shoot more interesting angles alone. If you like shooting vlogs, love exploring new ways of shooting, and want good image quality, the Osmo 360 second generation will be very suitable for you.